Good morning, the Honorable ladies and gentlemen. My name is Fauzia Rosa Farah. I am a graduate student from Institut Teknologi 10 November, majoring in statistics. Today, I would like to present my research about Twitter sentiment analysis on vehicle brand using naive Bayes classifier. As we already know today, that the growing popularity of social media in this era is very fast. It is caused by the convenience in sharing up-to-date information. With the convenience in sharing information on social media, people can share various things, such as opinions about a product. Online customer reviews are an important source of information related to the product to understand the customer's opinion towards the product. One of the social media with the most users in Indonesia is Twitter, that provides its users to share information into tweets. Various information can be obtained through tweets, including opinions about a product. For this reason, a method is needed to identify a person's opinion. A method that can be used to identify opinions on a particular topic is sentiment analysis. From the sentiment analysis can be known that the people's opinion have positive, negative, or neutral sentiment towards certain phenomena, products, or figure. There are several algorithms for sentiment classification using machine learning approach, such as super vector machine, decision tree, neural network, and naive Bayes classifier, or NBC. Another algorithm using the lexicon-based approach. In this research, using naive Bayes classifier algorithm for sentiment classification, because the NBC has a simple algorithm, but the accuracy is high. There are many studies discussing the sentiment analysis, like Borobudur Temple Tourist Sentiment Classification on the TripAdvisor site using supervector machine and K-nearest neighbor by Saputri et al. In 2020. On Twitter, Giovanni et al. Researched about sentiment analysis towards Ruang Guru application. Another research was conducted by Buntoro about sentiment analysis towards the 2017 DKI Jakarta governorship candidate on Twitter. Pavita et al. Using NBC as classification method for sentiment analysis in movie recommendation. Fitri et al. Comparing the NBC, decision tree, and random forest classification algorithm towards sentiment of anti-LGBT campaign in Indonesia using Twitter. Based on the accuracy value, the NBC algorithm is better than decision tree and random forest. In this study, we want to know the public sentiment towards Honda car product. The first step is data collection. Twitter sentiment data was collected from tweets of Twitter user in Indonesia using application programming interface program using keyword buy a Honda car and sell a Honda car from December 2021 until March 2022. The second stage before classification process is preprocessing. The purpose of the preprocessing is to remove the noise from the raw text data. Preprocessing text consists of removing words or characters that can interfere in analysis called cleansing, transforming characters in lower case called case folding, removing words that consider to have a little effect in analysis called stop word removal, cutting each word into one value called tokenizing, and measuring the weight called feature extraction. The third stage is classification using naive Bayes classifier. Naive Bayes classifier is a classification algorithm used to predict the probability of membership of a data based on the highest probability value. And here is the formula. The performance of the classification process then will be evaluated using confusion matrix. So the accuracy, specificity, and sensitivity also can be calculated. In total, there are 3,091 tweets collected from December 2021 until March 2022. Based on the type of sentiment, 1,556 tweets were classified into positive sentiment, 1,135 into neutral sentiment, and the rest is classified as negative sentiment. So the positive sentiment towards Honda car projects has the highest proportion of them all. The term words collected on 3,091 tweets split into 34,056 words. The most commonly found unique words after Honda and Mobil are district and dealer. This is because most of the content of the tweet explain about the development of electric car in Indonesia and the dealer selling Honda car. Tabel 2 is the example of the sentiment classification. Based on the table 3, the accuracy of the training data is 0.97. Means that the accuracy of the model in classifying sentiment tweets appropriately is very good, which is 97%. For the testing data, the accuracy value is higher than the training data, which means 98%. But overall, for the performance measurement in training and testing data has a value of more than 0.9. Based on Gorunescu criterion, the NBC model has an excellent classification. Based on the result and discussion above, it can be concluded that 1,556 tweets were classified into positive sentiment, 1,135 into neutral sentiment, and the rest as negative sentiment. The most commonly found unique words after Honda and Mobil are district and dealer. This is because most of the content of the tweet explain about the development of the electric cars in Indonesia and the dealer selling Honda car. The accuracy value in the testing data is better than the training data. This means that the NBC classification model is already well used for the classification of sentiment analysis. So this is the conclusion of this presentation, and thank you for your attention.